In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google to streamline your workflow with the help of great Notion support services. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to boost their productivity by mastering the basics of Notion. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start by visiting your web browser. In the search bar, type Notion and hit Enter. This search will bring up a list of results, and you want to click on the first link that appears. This will take you directly to the Notion homepage. If you're already familiar with this page, feel free to log in using your credentials. Simply click on the Login button located at the top right of the homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your workspace. Here, you have the option to start creating content. Look for the Add New button. Selecting this option will prompt a menu where you can choose what type of page to create. For this tutorial, we're opting for an empty page. So go ahead and click on Empty Page. With your new page open, it's time to personalize it by giving it a name. Naming your pages helps in organizing and locating your content later, especially when your workspace starts filling up with information. Choose a name that is descriptive and offers a clue to its contents, making it easy for future reference. Now that we have a named page, let's add some content. On the left menu, you'll see an option to Add Page Inside. Clicking this will create a subpage within your existing page. This feature is particularly useful for categorizing information or breaking down a large project into manageable parts. Feel free to add any relevant data or materials at this stage. As you become more comfortable with Notion, you can explore adding more pages and attachments. This is a great way to store and access additional documents, images, or notes pertinent to your projects. To do this, simply continue using the Add Page Inside option and the attachment features that Notion provides. Another helpful tip is to use the collapsible arrow next to your newly created page. Clicking this arrow will expand or contract the page, allowing you to manage the space within your Notion workspace efficiently. This is especially advantageous when dealing with multiple pages and wishing to keep your view tidy and free from distractions. Finally, your page now functions much like a folder. This means bringing together different kinds of content becomes seamless, and organizing your work becomes much less daunting. By keeping everything in one place, you streamline your workflow and can focus more on what truly matters: your projects. That completes our guide on optimizing your productivity with Notion and Google. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be navigating Notion with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.